Matthew chapter 15:10. What you say and think matters to God. Then Jesus called to the crowds, "Listen to what I say," he said. "Try to understand me. You aren't made unholy by eating without washing your hands. It is what you say and think that makes you unclean." Then the disciples came to him. They said, "You made the Pharisees angry by saying that." Jesus replied, "Every plant not planted by my Father shall be rooted up, so don't listen to them. They are blind guides leading the blind, and both will fall into a ditch." Then Peter said, "You said we don't need to wash our hands before we eat, but the tradition says we are supposed to. Tell us what you mean." "Don't you understand?" Jesus asked him. "Anything you eat passes through your stomach and out again. But evil words come from an evil heart. This makes the man who says them unholy. For from the heart come evil thoughts, murder, adultery, theft, lying, and slander. These are what make a man unholy. But there is nothing unholy about eating without washing your hands first."